banang mik kisni kila nang pau sya kedar bakiri jongka perthai kila penkrai syak-syak yala ke jongka kenhun bat menta kila sedang banjit ya kiri ki baki kuak bandon sya ke kenhun jongki bat kene kila pelong ya ke jing sedang mik jongki arteli ki kenhun hima baklan bor haka perthai kawai kadai ke hima mik ni bat kawai padai kadai ke hima sek ni ya ke hima mik ni lalam khamat daka China Russia bat Iran kat baya ka hima set ngipat dalam khmat daka Amerika rengkat bat ka Israel lembat ki sateli kiri Arab ki bakentup ya ka United Arab Emirates Morocco Bahrain bat ka Egypt ka jingtmu jeng kini ki arteli ki kenhun hima ka dai ban pentelot bor ya ka wei pat dai ka hima ka bailet persya yaki dangsyan ka China Russia bat Iran ki dang syudat banyelet drill haki bynta basatai jongka Indian Ocean kadai hok baki hima sedni pok ka jinglam khmat jongka Amerika bakin snow seir namar bakine ki laiteli kiri ki badan pun ki hiarthma nuklear pila bankeli balai ka Iran ka badhap pok ka Middle East kamya snok tilang bat kiri muslim ki bayas snok tilang bat ka Israel kadau kolong walada ka Iran kadai ka ri muslim ke badan hapok Middle East dan ban kiwai padai kiri hapok Middle East kim snu penat setia ya kene kari namar baki ya per naka kenhun jingat muslim jongki kinongbut ya ka kenhun nem muslim hapok Iran kidai naka kenhun Shia muslim kat baki wai padai kiri hapok Middle East kidai naka kenhun Sunni muslim dangsyan kaladan kan Negev Summit kabala lam khaman daka Israel haka jingdan rangkat uskatri jangka Amerika lembat ki sarteli kiri Arab naka bynta kari Israel ka Negev Summit kadai ka kubar baka kuak ban Aisyah ka Iran bakamlong marwai syu haka jingiarap persya ban yelat persya yaki kam pentrin ki baka Iran ka lek persya ya ke Israel bat ya ki wei dai kiri ki badan hapok Middle East hendai udan syapiro wei na ki nong mikmat jongka Atlantic Council of Middle East pat ulaong balada pin keli ya ki nong mikmat jongki na ki sauteli kiri Arab ki badan ka jingtmu ban join ya ka Negev Summit ki dan na ka jong ka jingtmu habaki join ya ka Negev Summit naka bynta ka UAE ka jingtmu ka lak bandai naka bynta ka investment in clean energy naka bynta ka Bahrain ka lak bandai baki kuat ban penklanya ki sipai duriau jengki lang baka jingiarap jengka Israel naka bynta ka Morocco pat ka jingias nokti lang jengka pat ka Israel ka dai namar baki kuat ban yok jingiarap naka bynta ka tenat education bat ka tenat agriculture bat naka bynta ka Egypt pat let's say ka dan kam ya ka jingiarap ka baki wei pat de ki laiteli kiri bahaneng ki dan kam kani ka summit imat kumbaka pelong ya kari Israel ban snow het mensim bat ru ban snow shngan namar baki ri ba marjan jongka hakasin ke bandang kong ki trek ban ya sim bentalang bat ka leng baka jingialang ka bakala penkret walada kini ki sauteli kiri Arab kilaya snok tilang batka nrai kim kuat setiapa baka Israel kan muslia ya kari Palestine hatu kari Israel kan penhun ya ke jingwa ki parok batma jangka hatu kanai kadai ka jing sedang urlong ka jingi tulpa hau Ezekiel kalanong ka balai pupra ka dekat ka bakat sawaduk kat nrio tung nyepet menta kumno ka kitab Ezekiel kal nang balai pupra ka dekat ka bakat sawaduk ka bakat nrio ka dan manong kumta utrai lapa yang bania tu ha ugok ya ka ka bau laong hau menta kat baki Israel ki brujunga ki dang syong ha ka jing snowskem men sami nala ka jongkari ka basyate medaya lam ya ka kenhun sipai ka bakra bat ka bakran bor nasibun ki jat benriu baro halor ki kulai men satur yelak persya ya ki brujunga kum ka eryong ka babe halor kari haba kapor kan poi ngan pha ya me ban hiarthma ya kari jonga khnang ban pen I haka jat ban riu UAE ngalong ban pen I ya ka jingang khu jonga da ka ka bangale lan ba jongbe hato kari Rusia kan dai kari jong uko kari basyatai na Israel kat kum ka geografi ka balabatai haka kitab jong Ezekiel kalak bandai kari Rusia niyo iten krain bakuno kari Rusia kala nang keu haki jengklan bor jengka kam salia ban yang marwai bat kam pendem setia walada kala syak sangsyam haki riset ni bat ki riset ni kila persyang ban penhir dor ya kepisah jengka pynban kila tang sipor mentaka pisah jengka kari Rusia kala Sdang ban kiu dor ben kiri satni kila pentroin ru ya kayok kakot jongka Rusia pynban kila tang sipor hendrai ka yang biang namar bakari Rusia kadai kari ke badan syanang syatei ke ba U Blei ulap penkre ban ajing senang ya kari jeng kari Israel namar bakila lendet bat phai syakiwai padai kiri ki bam itu ya U Blei bat kilet pan jingiarap na kiri ki bam marjan jongki Henry haka juk ka poro U Blei saai ka jing pensitam ya usim ubasyate hiarthma ya ke Israel bat hap haka jing bitar let jong U Blei ka ba pilak bansiem na U Ezekiel kalau nang ka balai pupra ka dekat ka ba kapra hadu ka ba arpulai kihima bakrau bora ka pertai menta kilas Sdang ban dia lumpat kenang ban penbun pat syaka liang jongki ka jingiarap kan dai hapdeng ka kenhun jong ka rimi bat ka riset ni ka thma Ukraine kala penktip ya kiri jong ka pertai pan penklan ya ka kenhun sipa jongki badru ban penbun ya ki hiarthma jongki I kumba ka jing penkre na ka bynta ka thma Armageddon ru kala nang Sdang syat.
We are so grateful for your kind hospitality words, but also let me thank everyone here. It just tells us all how much of a historic moment this is for everyone on the stage, but everyone in this room and beyond. 43 years ago, when Egypt and Israel made peace, unfortunately, we lost those 43 years of knowing each other better, of working together, and of changing the narrative that many generations of Israelis and Arabs have been living. I think what we are trying to achieve here today is changing the narrative, creating a different future, and building on better hope for us and for our kids and grandkids. It's new for, I think, Abdul-Latif and Nasser and myself to be in Israel. This is our first time. So if we are curious sometimes and we want to know things and learn, it's because although Israel has been part of this region for a very long time and we've not known each other. So it's time to catch up, to build on a stronger relationship. When I see 300,000 Israelis visiting the UAE in the last year and a half, but at the same time I see 2 million visitors visiting the Israeli Pavilion and Expo in only the last 6 months, it says how curious and how much we want to know each other. And this is what I think goes against what happened yesterday. It's by us standing together, it's by our people-to-people relationship, it's by creating a better environment for our businesses to work with each other. That's the way we can go after the narrative of hate, of incitement, of terror. We will prevail, no doubt. It's going to cost us, but it matters. It matters to us, and we can do better on so many areas that either was mentioned in this gathering or mentioned today or yesterday. It's clear to me that there is a huge potential and everyone is excited about it. And Sameh, Egypt showed us leadership 43 years ago. Thank you for that. We are just trying to follow your footsteps. And Tony, your presence here means a great deal. The United States not only being here, but encouraging us to do more and building for a better, stable, and prosperous future for all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Highness. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the first Negev Summit. I would like to thank all our guests, excellencies, and their delegations for coming here to Israel, to the Negev, and hoping for many more Negev Summits. Thank you. Toda rabba. Shukran.